Johnny's Bar and Grill, Mexican and American cuisine with daily and weekly specials, juicy burgers, mouth-watering tacos, and more. 1519 West Highway 150 in Lincolnton.
I'm Ralph Mangum here on the WHKY News, where it's time now for Community Focus. Arianna Mack has our A&E Bulletin Board in just a moment. First, though, the City of Hickory Sarah Killian has news from the Hickory Elks Lodge and information on the downtown parking deck.
Joining us on WHKY, Communications Specialist for the City of Hickory, Sarah Killian, to bring us up on some things happening with the city, such as award-winning City of Hickory staff.
Yes. Each year, Hickory Elks Lodge 1654 recognizes those who exhibit the patriotic values of duty and honor in service to their community and nation. During the Americanism Award ceremony on Saturday, February 8th, the Hickory Elks presented public service awards honoring 3 exceptional members of Hickory's fire, police, and public services departments. Congratulations to Master Police Officer Trent Rothland for being named the 2025 Exceptional Police Officer of the Year, to Public Utilities Special Projects Crew Leader Joey Korn for being named the 2025 Exceptional Hickory City Public Service Person of the Year, and to Senior Firefighter Jonathan Holden for being named the 2025 Exceptional Firefighter of the Year. In addition to the Public Service Awards presented to members of 3 City of Hickory departments, another City of Hickory employee was honored for his military service during the ceremony. Hickory Regional Airport Manager and Lieutenant Commander Chad Hunsucker was recognized as the 2025 Exceptional Military Service Person of the Year for the United States Navy. The City of Hickory is proud of these public servants and congratulates them on receiving this very high honor. And special thanks to the Hickory Elks Lodge for their efforts to recognize those who give of themselves to better the community.
That sounds great. Congratulations to all of them, just like you did. And tell us about the downtown parking deck closure.
I wanted to make sure that our downtown Hickory visitors and residents are aware of an upcoming project that will impact downtown parking, but just briefly. Beginning Monday, February 17th, the parking deck on Trade Alley and First Avenue Northwest in downtown Hickory will be closed for maintenance and necessary repairs. This closure is expected to last about 90 days, and we ask that all vehicles they are removed from the deck by 7 a.m. that Monday morning. While this work is underway, please note that parking will not be permitted on Trade Alley, but the good news is there's plenty of parking available along Main Avenue Northeast Northwest between 2nd Street Northwest and Highway 127. You can also go over to the parking deck located behind One North Center and in the parking lot adjacent to Lowe's Food City Park on Main Avenue Northwest, and of course on street along First Avenue Northwest. Please note that parking restrictions will still be in place and enforceable in these lots, and we appreciate everyone's patience and understanding while these improvements are being completed. For more information about public parking in downtown Hickory, you can visit the interactive parking map on the city's website.
Of course, construction isn't a bad thing, it's just us growing. And how can we stay connected with the City of Hickory?
As always, for more news and information about what's happening in your City of Hickory, visit hickorync.gov and follow us on social media.
Thanks so much for joining us, Sarah. And now I'll add a few more events coming up in your Hickory Metro. Rock Valentine's Day with the timeless sound of Pink Floyd at Catawba Science Center, a showing of your favorites from Dark Side of the Moon at 6:30 p.m. and The Wall at 7:30 p.m. Make plans for an epic date night or a fun night with friends on February 15th in the Planetarium building. That is an adult-only program. Beer and wine will be available for a donation. Catawba Science Center's Milholland Planetarium, doors open at 6 p.m. That is going to be Dark Side of the Moon at 6:30 p.m. and The Wall at 7:30 p.m. The LR Wind Ensemble and Wind Symphony present Love and Longing, music inspired by the many ways we experience love and heartache. They will share music with the community during the Valentine's Day special concert scheduled for Friday, February 14th at 7:30 p.m. in P.E. Monroe Auditorium. Admission is free. The Premier in Hickory will have a Love and Hate Valentine's Dance Party on February 12th at 8 p.m. You won't want to miss that. Tickets are available on their website, the Premier Hickory Event Space. Don't miss this month's Spark event at Catawba Science Center featuring Corning Optical Communications on Saturday, February 15th from 1 to 3 p.m. in the Foothills Collaboratory. The lab can be found at the end of the south entrance hallway across from Velo City. Spark is a STEM career showcase featuring local industries in the Carolina foothills. Participate in guided activities based on the careers. This event is free with the purchase of admission. Learn more at catawbascience.org. That's all for the Arts and Entertainment Bulletin Board. Get out and explore your Hickory Metro. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna, and thanks as always to Sarah Killian. That brings us to the end of Community Focus today. On behalf of Rob Eastwood, Arianna Mack, Jason Savage, and Sarah Killian, I'm Ralph Mangum. Thank you for joining us here on the WHKY News.